come with me, don't film me. I'll walk into shot. I hate it. And as soon as the camera's out, I'm like, fuck, now I'm screwed. Ready?
Yeah.
Don't start with me.
Right.
There you go. So, we've had a little parcel come through from ProFilm, another PPF film we're going to be trying out. They sent through a little box for us. I have quickly opened it, as you can see, which is actually really cool, so I wanted to video it. So we asked for some samples because we've got a customer coming in that wants one of their materials that no one else does. So we're going to ProFilm. So we've opened it up. They've sent through some nice little gifts for us. It's a really cool box. We received a really cool mug. Always nice to have a mug. ProFilm hat, which I will wear. That's cool. Microfiber. Branded up. Love that too. And also, which we weren't expecting any of this, but they've sent through some of their own ceramic coating to go on top of their PPF. That's really cool. So obviously we'll put that on the car for the customer. We've received it for free. We'll probably put it on the customer's car for free. It's nice to do something like that. That's that. Some samples of the film that's going to be going on the customer's car. It's top secret, you can't see it. There you can. It's just their glittery PPF. So that's for that. Glittery diamond gold it's called. Some other things, I haven't seen this yet, so we'll find out what it is. To do with their pattern software. Some training. Just guidance of what they do, I suppose. Not sure what this is. Windscreen film, that's cool. Sample of windscreen PPF. Just some information of their PPF. Some more samples. So we've got some carbon. That's gloss carbon, matte carbon. That actually looks really nice. I really like that. That's to go with the matte that's supposed to be stuck to that. Gloss black, matte black. Is that just their clear? Or is it sunroof? Okay, that's a strange one. Sunroof PPF. Have a look into that. That's really cool. Smoked, smoked, smoked. That's cool. What else we got? Another box here. Oh, and also very nice handwritten note from Emma. Thanks, Emma. And then in this box, we have more samples of their PPF. So it looks like all their clears, their matte finishes, their diamond ones, which is what's going to be going on the customer's car. Yeah, wicked. So loads of cool samples. Some really crazy glitter ones. I'm not sure if anyone will go for that, but that could look quite funky. That's a bit nuts, that. And this one too. Cool. So thanks, ProFilm. Looking forward to working with you more and using your films. That's it, isn't it?